Subject here, so if you want to see me unboxing my another cube that is due today, like earlier the person is already there outside waiting for me, and I got another one, and this time it's 2x2. The mention is 2x2. It's called the Moyo RS2M Evolution, and it has an inside which contains 2x2 and accessory box, which means they have screwdriver and the setting tools, which makes them more significantly easy to do setup before the world record. And I'm going to tell me that you're going to join the WCA World Cube Association if you're not going to practice 2x2 and 2x2 at the same time. So anyways, I did do some unboxing, and guess what? I'm going for a rating. For smoothness, 9 out of 10. You know, I'm going for 40 because why not? The 4 categories. The which is 9.5 out of 10. The speed is 10 out of 10. And for the magnet strength, it's 9 out of 10 because they really have magnets, but country they don't have. But what I'm talking about, it's the magnet strength. So yeah, all in all, I think okay, for smoothness 9, Konokate 9.5. I think this is 38 out of 40 because when I do some rating earlier, like it's 35 out of 40, yana, it's 38. So thank you Moyo for deliver my cube, and also thanks to my mama for buying my 2 cubes at a time. You know, the delivery date was November 24 to 28, right? It's right now. So thanks a lot. GunCube wants to go, and Moyo. I am now a cubicle manager, but not because I'm going to assign them.